In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily convert USD to USDT in Binance. So first, of course, head over and launch your Binance app and consider logging into your account. Of course, make sure that you have USD balance in your wallet. Now from your homepage or dashboard, look at the bottom toolbar and click on Trade. Now from here at the top, make sure that you are on the convert page. Just click on it if you're not. Then from the From section, click the drop down menu and from here, search for USD and of course choose it. Then next at the To section, choose USDT. It should be automatically be placed in this section, but if not, make sure that you choose it. Then next is simply enter the amount that you would like to convert and tap the preview button. So from here, you can read this message and tick the box, then proceed to click activate. Now from here, choose the payment method. So it could be your fiat wallet or a card. Then once done, simply click on the confirm button. So from here, just follow all the on-screen prompts like check your rate first, then simply tap the convert button. Once done, your USDT will then appear instantly in your wallet. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!